Hi everyone, welcome back to another quarantine vlog. So I am sewing face masks. So I have my mess of a sewing area over here, but I made my first mask and I'm feeling pretty proud. So I'm making masks for the rest of my family because I was a fashion design student in college, so I have just a lot of extra fabric. I know how to sew, so I'm using my skills to make masks because we want to wear masks whenever we go outside of the house now. So I've been following a really great YouTube tutorial, which I will have linked down below, on how I am making these masks. But that's my day today, pretty much. So here's a quarantine update. Today I lost internet because of a storm, and it's been out for maybe like 5 hours. And you may have heard a little voice because I have a new roommate.
Yes.
My sister moved in with me because she works at a nursing home basically where there is positive coronavirus patients, so we didn't want her staying with my parents anymore, so now she's staying with me and we're on week 2.
Yay!
I just hope that the internet comes back soon because we can't watch TV, and we started watching Gossip Girl and we watch it every day, and we already finished 1 season within a week.
Yeah.
And I'm addicted to watching it now.
We recommend it, everyone. Watch it again.
Baby! You little tiny baby! You little! Hi, little friend. You gonna sneak up on me? You like to hang out. Sit in here. Hey, little one. You saying? Tell me again. Yeah? No way. Yes. And then what? What? I know. Tell me. Natural, organic. I love it. We made it up to North Conway, New Hampshire. We've arrived at the cabin, walked in the door, and it's really cute. Coffee, mini fridge, a little kitchenette kind of thing. There's a TV.
Cool.
Little sitting area. AC, that's good. Ooh, bathroom's nice. Bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Bathroom's bigger than the kitchen.
It is.
We play cards. And
Towel.
stuff. We have cards here.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Some books.
Olives and a drink.
Yum.
Yikes.
Burger.
Alright, what else are doing you with dinner?
Hi, vlog. It's been a little while since I have vlogged. I'm still in quarantine, basically. It's been 3 months. I went on a trip to New Hampshire, so you saw footage of that. And this weekend, I'm going on another trip to New Hampshire, and I am so excited. But so I got a really awesome package in the mail, so I wanted to hop on and show you what I got because it is so cute and so exciting. I got this PR package from Winky Lux, and it's for their s'mores collection, and look at this. They gave me a little s'mores kit. This is so cute. I should bring this to New Hampshire or to a campfire night, and it'll be so perfect. And then, oh my gosh, like a s'mores collection is my perfect collection. So what have we got here? Oh, this is the Unibrow. This is the brow pencil that I tried out that I really like. Ooh, the s'mores palette. Okay, I have to look at this. Oh, it shows it on the back. a highlighter and contour palette. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. Okay, I'm gonna be trying out these products on my channel as part of my trying a new makeup product every day series. But oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Look at this cute packaging. Glazed lip. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Twinkle all over body highlighter. I love these types of products. And of course, I love all of the pink confetti in here. Ooh, wellness gloss. Oh my gosh, this is CBD lip gloss. I have been wanting to try out CBD makeup. I'm so excited. They seriously have the cutest packaging. Ooh, this is S'mores lip balm. Look at how cute. Oh, I thought this was the last product, but it's not. Ooh, this is the strobing balm. Ooh, like a highlighter. And then this, I can't get over how cute the packaging is. This is double matte whip. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about every single product that I got here. Wow, this was so nice of them. So generous. I can't wait to try all of these out and do full dedicated reviews. Well, since this vlog spans such a large amount of time, I'm going to end this here so then I can start a new vlog, and I want to vlog my next trip that I go on. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that everyone is staying well, staying safe, and I will see you in my next video.